nga pala si Rose, and ito nga pala si Dexys! And andito nga pala kami ngayon sa Rodexys TV Room! And maglalaro kami ngayon or mag-acting na hindi social at social. So, ito pala ay walang totoong kasiyahan ay kasakit. Cut, bye-bye. Sige, wag na natin ito pagkatagalin. Start na tayo? Start. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Oh, nakapaghilamos na nga lang. Gandang umaga na. Saan ang balikat ko? I need to go to the bathroom. Ay, sarap. So refreshing. Ay, nako, mamalengke na lang ako. Wala na akong grocery dito. Let's go, Johnny! Salamat, ang init naman. Ang haba-haba pa ng pila. Sinuli ko. Cotton buds. Why it's so hard? Nagpag-shopping ng pero pinabigit ng pa. Oh my God.
Huh?
Wow, I was right. It's a color. Whoa, it's a perfume. I love it. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? It's not nice. Stop. Oh my God. So smell it. Oh God. Oh no! Oh fuck you. Oh, you're pretty. Oh, my lotion. Oh, I'll like this, but it was powder. It's so pretty for the skin. Oh my God. OMG. I really want to buy it, but I bought it. It's only 2,000. Oh my God. No problem. Potato powder. Yeah, and lastly, supply. Let's go. What do you think you want? Guys, so pasensya na kung short film lang kasi mag-vlog pa kami mamaya and you need to wait po. 1, 2, 3, bye! Thanks for watching!